Hey, I'm Fish. I'm using an Insta360 X5. And I'm out here, I would say definitely 4 feet. No microphone, walking. Instaframe 2.0. I tried to do this the last vlog. I had a problem. I was on single lens. I had to be off a single lens. Has to be on 360. It's a little confusing at times. But hey, I want to let you know, is a 360 camera without a microphone going to be the best camera to use right now? Not really, because I got to talk nice and loud to the camera. I can't hit the record shutter button to stop, but I could give a double shake, 2 rotations to stop it if I wanted to. I could have the camera follow me. It's got a gimbal, but the gimbal don't work unless you got that special stick. And that stick costs some money. I don't know if I want to use that gimbal stick at this moment, but I'll let you know this. If I wanted to do a better vlog, I'll use a different camera. And which camera would be for that? If it's the Insta360 family, it'd be the Insta360 Go Ultra. It'd be a better camera to use. And you want to use a better camera besides the Go Ultra, yes indeed, it'd be the Ace Pro 2. The double shake don't work in Instaframe 2.0. It is what it is. Well, I've been in contact with the company. The company's called Extra. And Extra doesn't have a name from the person I'm talking with. They are Extra Customer Support Services. And their relative team, they don't have a name either. So we have a battery drain, and I can't explain it any easier than this, with Extra asking me all these questions when I gave them every single detail about the camera and the battery drain and scenario. I don't need to know how the camera works, because they don't know how their camera works. And if the camera has a standby of up to 4 hours, they have no idea that the camera battery drains. So they asked me what type of settings I had again, and how to do it, how to set it up, and make sure you could do it this way and that way. I already did this, so let me explain to you what we're going to do. Factory reset the camera, turn on the camera, it's 75%, go charge the camera, turn back the camera on with the vision dock, press the side button once, let it run for 5 seconds, shut off the vision dock, come back 4+ hours later, and the battery will be drained to 75%. Can I explain that any easier? No. I want to make sure I get the answer for you about Extra and the battery drain, and I'm not getting the answer that I want to hear. I'm always getting how to set the camera up and how it operates, and that's not the answer about battery drain. For the Extra Auto, however you want to pronounce it, it's really pronounced A-toe. And camera sells for more than $299 at retail, $449. And you go on Amazon, it's $299. And you go on TikTok and you find people that are with affiliate coupons for $274, all the way down to $263 at the lowest price it's been. And man, that is an awesome price for a camera that looks like this, called the DJI Osmo Nano. Fully updated to the latest firmware on the market. And here we are with the extra 8.0, not even near updating on the market. They finally just got allowed to use the DJI mics. Why a DJI mic, you say? And why not the extra mic that's supposed to be coming out in January, February, now delayed to May? Maybe because they can't get it the right cover over the DJI mic. Maybe they're just looking for renewed mics. I don't know. I don't know the answer for that. Now let's take this a little bit step further. You want an extra Muse. The lowest price they sold it for was $358.99. The lowest price now is $374.99. And it goes from $449 all the way down to that price if it's ever Christmas time again. The problem is the camera no way sells for $700-800, and you're not going to pay $449 when you got the Osmo Pocket 3 fully updated firmware, and the Pocket, not the Pocket, the Muse is not fully updated. If you look online, you can get the Creator Bundle for $264, $280, under $300, in the mid 200s. A couple of weeks you get it directly from China. And how true can that be? Well, it's online, and you got to trust the person who's got it, and it's going hot and fast. Isn't that a great price? $100 less than the extra Muse. Don't hate me, because I know where to look, where to find, and how to get. For me, I don't need an extra Schwa. I don't love the name, and I'm happy with what I got. I packed up my defective Atto. It came 4 days to me. I used it, and I just couldn't deal with the issue. The day I packed it up was the day they gave out the microphone firmware. I would have kept it. I would have dealt with the battery drain. But 25% every day is not good. And yeah, I took 9 days to get back to Oak, California. And now finally it's in their hands for a day. When will I get my refund? I'm not worried. It'll come. 30-day trial. But March 8th is the latest for a refund. How sweet is that? Well, ladies and gentlemen, talk is cheap. It's free. Videoing is free. Get on out there with the camera you got and have fun vlogging. This is a test for me again. Insta360X5, InstaFrame 2.0, and I am just basically choking on gas, man. And this thing will follow you no matter what you do, how you hold it, go down and above. It's like an extra Muse all on its own and more. I don't need a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but maybe the Pocket 4. Have a great day. If I begin to use my X5 normally, then I would get the gimbal type stick, and that's all I need. And then I'd be able to use the gimbal and just have myself a Pocket 3 type camera, but not compact. And yeah, I don't use my cameras like I'm supposed to all the time, but at least I have a 360, a POV, and an action camera, and a primary camera. Now, Wondershare Filmora 15, it don't do 360. And I don't love it or hate it for that, but that's where I may go back and get Power Director 365 and pay a yearly annual. And this way, 2-3 years, it'd be like a lifetime perpetual, and things would change. And I have everything at my hands. Then Filmora 15, having to pay with tokens or buying the $30 a month additional fee that they got for the essentials. Have a great day, everybody.